skipped. After that, come on, animation. Anyway, he sends the register tree to that front end. He looks it up using the address that was part of the cluster aware thing, sends the message, the front end creates the cache and throttle pointing back at top. So messages will flow from the second node back to the first node. Okay, so we've just scaled these guys out. All right, so the member up message just fired, and front end still finds the back end. Oh yeah. I didn't show what happens on the original node, right? The node where I'm running my search tree, I actually don't have to explicitly register the front end with the back, or the back end with the front end on that node, because when that node comes up in the cluster, he's going to send his own node up event. Everybody in the node sends a member up event. Okay? So the search tree just has to listen to these events, and he'll even get local member up events. All right? So that handles everything, all my wiring, if that makes sense. I hope that wasn't confusing. Okay. All right, so to recap, I can use cluster membership notifications to communicate state across the whole cluster as needed. So anytime a member comes in, I can go tell actors on that cluster, hey, here's the information you need to join the system. Okay? Anytime someone joins, I can also listen to member down events and remove things, that sort of deal. All right. So step number 2 is, now we have our cache and stuff running on all these nodes, so we've scaled out part of our system. Step number 2 is we need to have the search tree actually survive failure. So if a node goes down, I need to know to restart it on a different node. So what we're going to use here is what's called the cluster